Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making a mocktail called Nojito. Mojito obviously has vodka, but this is just with lemonade and a couple of things as we go along. So first we'll take some mint leaves and put them in a cocktail shaker. You can leave some for the garnish on top. Take about 15 ml of lime juice, 10 grams of brown sugar. Then this is lemonade, 200 ml. You add that in. Throw in a couple of ice cubes. Lid on. Ready to serve. So for this I'm just going to throw in a couple of lime wedges, few of the mint leaves, pour this on top. There you have it, the Nojito, a classic mocktail, ready to serve. Make sure you try this at home because this is very easy and delicious for the times when you don't want to have a cocktail. Do not forget to like, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Desi Bites with me, Chef Pranav. I will see you in another fun episode and another easy recipe. See you all. Hey guys, welcome to Desi Bites. I hope you all are good. Today I'm going to be making another cocktail and it's called an absolute stress. First, spice in the cocktail shaker. Then I'm going to use 30 ml of vodka. I'm using Stolichnaya. 30 ml of dark rum, in this case Old Monk. Peach schnapps, about 20 ml. A little bit of orange juice. A little bit of cranberry juice. I don't want too much of cranberry because it's really sweet. But first we will shake this up. And serve it up in this glass. There you go guys, an absolute stress. I hope you enjoyed this easy yet delicious cocktail recipe. Keep watching Desi Bites for more fun videos coming your way. And do not forget to like, subscribe and comment in the comment section below. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Hello everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a Lynchburg lemonade cocktail. First what we'll do is get in some ice in the cocktail shaker. Now for this I need Jack Daniels. So I'll take 30 ml of Jack Daniels in my cocktail mixer. Then I need orange liqueur or triple sec. Another measure that, little less than 30. Lemon wheels inside, important. And then you need a sweet and sour mix. So if you don't have that mixture, since if you want to make it at home, just put in some lime juice, lime concentrate and some sugar syrup. And the last thing that you need in this is some soda. Since we've added soda in the cocktail, don't make the mistake of shaking it, just muddle it all together. You don't want this exploding all over you. And muddle it well, and we will serve it in this glass. I'm just going to rub sides with a little bit of lime because you want that zest. And your cocktail is ready. Lynchburg lemonade. Muddle it well and give it a sip. Thank you so much for watching. Do try this at home and keep watching Desi Bites for more fun videos and easy recipes coming your way. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, take care y'all.